For nearly half a century, one machine has remained by their side. Through dust, war, and fights, the battle-tested, relentlessly reliable M240, America's trusted medium machine gun. But on the modern battlefield, its greatest strength has become a critical weakness: its weight.
This weight penalty saps a soldier's endurance and mobility.
And potential adversaries now field weapons with a longer reach.
In a long-range fight, our forces could find themselves outgunned.
Facing this reality, Army planners made a decisive choice.
To invest in a next-generation solution, the Future Medium Machine Gun Program.
This isn't just an upgrade. It's a fundamental reimagining of squad firepower. Engineered for the warriors at the very tip of the spear.
The core of this revolution lies in a single question: which caliber will power the future?
Option 1, the massive .338 Norma Magnum.
It doubles our effective range, delivering devastating power at over 1,700 meters.
Option 2, the new 6.8 millimeter round.
Designed specifically to defeat modern body armor and share ammunition with the Army's new rifles.
The leading contenders are already being put through their paces.
Endurance and reliability are tested to the absolute limit.
Integrating seamlessly with the soldier of the future.
The final decision carries a massive logistical consequence.
Adopting a new caliber like .338 means building an entirely new supply chain from scratch. Sticking with 6.8 millimeters offers commonality and lighter loads for every soldier.
The new weapon will redefine the machine gun team.
With advanced optics that increase accuracy and lethality at unprecedented ranges. This building confidence in the hands of our warfighters.
The legacy of the M240 is secure.
But the future of suppression is here.
Ensuring America's close combat forces hold the decisive edge. Lighter, longer ranging, and more lethal. The next generation of American firepower is ready.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to Trigger Vault.